Alright guys, just look at this sandwich. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor in every bite. This is not just a sandwich, it's a whole experience. Trust me, you're gonna want to try this one. Now let's throw in some bell pepper, onion, and fresh parsley into the blender and give it a good mix. Now we take our ground meat, add the blended veggies but make sure to squeeze out the excess juice first. Then we season it with salt, turmeric, paprika, and a pinch of baking soda. Give it all a really good mix. Now let's lightly grease our grill pan with a bit of olive oil. Then shape the meat mixture just like you see in the video, and place them on the pan. Let them grill nicely on all sides until they're golden and cooked through. Just listen to that sizzle, it's like music, in perfect harmony with the meat. Guys, this oil you see here, it's not extra fat. It's the meat's own natural, healthy fat. Now grab your baguette and fill it up with any veggies you like. I went with onion, parsley, pickles, and some fresh tomatoes, simple but so good. And finally, we add that juicy, delicious meat right into the sandwich. I made this easily for 4 people, perfect for a fun get-together with friends. Alright friends, that's it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deliciousness, and share it with your foodie friends. See you in the next video, and hey, don't let your sandwich get lonely. This is Fa Fa, signing off with a full belly and a happy heart.